Hi guys, this is Gail again. So someone messaged me, why not make a content about what's what's the feeling of working in a Canadian working environment or Canadian employer. So when I first came here in Canada, my first work experience is or was a cleaner. Then but my employer was a Filipino, and after 7 months, I was able to work in pero hindi ko na lang sabihin kung saan sa isang Canadian employer. Then at first, I was really scared because walang Pinoy na makakasama ko doon. So, hindi talaga ako makakatagalog, hindi talaga ako makakabisaya kasi wala mga Pinoy. But, napaka-advantage pala. Kasi, you would develop your skills, your English speaking skills, na hindi ka na matatakot makikipag-communicate sa iba. Like, most of the Canadians are very polite and um, very respectful. They will always greet you kahit hindi kayo magkakilala. Like, hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Parang, ganun. Parang greetings nila. Kung sa Pinas pa is, hi, hello, yung mga ganun. Dito is, hi, how are you? Mga ganun. And, um, during the hiring process, yung, for example, qualifications. Sa Pinas kasi is, napakataas ng standard. Sa mga entry level na mga positions, kailangan may college degree, kailangan may pleasing personality, kailangan may 3 to 5 experience related to the job. Dito, if entry level ka, hindi sila humahanap ng mga college graduate. So, usually high school or seldom na lang yung grade 12. And then, as long as makikita kanila na you're willing to work, you're willing to learn, okay sa kanila yun. And based in my experience, um, 3 years na ako sa employer ko, no? And I find them really nice to me. Then I would find the management really good to its employees or to their employees. Kasi based on my experience, for example, you called off, you called sick. Hindi ka magigilty na, oh my God, absent man ako ngayon, nakakahiya. Doon, hindi nila ipapafeel sa'yo na mag-worry ka. Kasi pag tumawag ka sa kanila, they would say that, oh, sorry to hear that. I hope you will be well soon. If you can't come tomorrow for your shift, just call us back or just leave a message so we can call someone to cover your shift. And I hope to see you soon. Yung mga ganun. Very comforting. And kasi kung sa Pinas ka absent na nagko-called sick ka, paranoid tayo. Kasi alam natin, mafe-feel natin na parang parang hindi sila naniniwala or kailangan may proof ka na sick ka talaga. So, another instance is, kunwari magve-vacation ka. So, kung magve-vacation ka, wala talagang tatawag sa'yo about work. Kasi they would respect your boundaries, your private life, sa'yo yun. They will not call you about work. Pero doon sa Pinas, tatawagan ka talaga for sure. Anything work-related. Yung mga ganun, yung ina-ask nila. Which is tama naman talaga yung dito. I mean, dapat naman talaga na hindi ka nila tatawagan. Kasi that's why you filed for your vacation leave para makaiwas ka sa stress ng work-related, di ba? So yun. Then, in terms of the management or yung mga supervisors mo, dito, yung mga supervisors namin, hindi sila yung nasa office lang. They would help other employees. Like, for example, pushing carts or throwing some garbage or assisting some customers, ganun. Hindi most of the times na andun sila sa office, hindi ganun. Which is, napakasaya lang kasi kung sa Pinas is kailangan talaga ma'am, sir. Dito kasi by first names. For example, April. Hindi ma'am April. April. Yung ganun lang. And kadalasan kasi nandun lang sila sa office, di ba? Hindi ko nila lahat. But most of managers, supervisors, they're very busy on their reports or in the office. But dito is they would really help. their employees and madali mo silang malalapitan. Hindi ka hindi ka maka-conscious na andyan sila sa paligid or they would talk to you, hindi. Kasi para silang ordinary na employee din. Nag-engage sila sa mga customers and sa employees, which is really great kasi hindi magiging aloof yung mga employees nila sa mga supervisor nila. Like, they would really share what's happening in the department or ano yung nafe-feel nila, if uneasy pa sila or something's wrong, hindi sila matatakot. Kasi makikita nila na nakasupport yung mga higher-ups nila. Yung ganun. So that's the end of my video. I'm Ping.